Titia kwantuka sia yetuye
Paiso
Yefra santi achichi noswa
Sa
Achichi noswa bachichi Juaben ma de tutu asante oyuko asokori efija asene ne ekeka ho Asante mai mofro.
Welcome to the YIADOM HWEDIE Palace, the administrative seat of Dr. Boateng III, the paramount chief of the new Juaben Traditional Area. As custom demands, under every paramountcy, there are divisional chiefs and sub-chiefs. One of such is the Ahenemahene. The role of the Ahenemahene is to gather, mobilize, and lead all sons and daughters of the royal family to serve the paramountcy, that is, the YIADOM HWEDIE STOOL. Following the demise of the late Nana Otuosere Boateng I, the need for a successor was imminent. In February 2023, the mantle of leadership fell on the illustrious grandson of Nana Boateng I, Afriyie Boateng YIADOM. He was then presented to Dr. Nana Boateng III, the paramount chief of New Juaben Traditional Area, by the Ahenemma ne Ahenenananom at the YIADOM HWEDIE Palace in Afriyie as the rightful person they have selected to lead them. Ahenenana Afriyie Boateng YIADOM was widely accepted by the rank and file of all the prince and princesses of the YIADOM HWEDIE royal family to lead them as their chief. Born and named Ernest Boateng YIADOM, Nana Afriyie is the son of Aheneba Alfred Chumesi Ankra Boateng, the second born of Nana Boateng I, and Madam Ya Kwachewa from the royal Oyoko clan of New Juaben. The young royal began his academic journey in Afriyie. At a young age, he was naturally curious and had a strong passion for acquiring knowledge. Eventually, he embarked on a new chapter by traveling to Germany. There, he resided for a while and relocated to the United States of America to pursue further education. He enrolled in high school and completed his college education at the College of Marine. He dedicated 15 years to study health science and medicine, specializing in neurological, cardiac, pulmonary, and intensive transition care. Throughout this extensive learning period, he remained steadfast in pursuing his passion and diligently working towards his goal. After his college education, he landed a job as a registered nurse at Sonoma Developmental Center at Eldridge, California State Hospital, the Veterans Hospital, and Kaiser Permanente, all in the United States of America. Friends, families, and royals gathered at the YIADOM HWEDIE Palace on the evening of Monday, 24 July 2023, to witness and support Ahenenananom Afriyie Boateng YIADOM as he's been sworn in as the Ahenemahene of New Juaben and swears oath of allegiance to Darcybre Kweku Boateng III, the paramount chief of New Juaben Traditional Area.
Nana Kweku Boateng Odikan Ahenenananom the Afriyie Airport na the tie ni say ye hyiam ha na Ahenemma ni Ahenenana na ye beda na di na Darcybre Kweku Boateng a otoso biensa enso e de na kire Juaben man na Juaben man so agu say the tie no ono na obehwe Ahenemma ni Ahenenana so ye tutuye ye ko ni ye ba nyina no ono na obetua ya no edi sana etie.
My name is Ochrema Asante. We are here today, a very special day. That Nana Afriyie, my brother, is going to swear as the Ahenemma and Ahenenananom in New Juaben. My father is also Ahenenana, and Nana and I also, we grew up together from Methodist school, and we've been very tight up to date. In fact, I came to Ghana this time because of this celebration. So I'm here to help my brother become the new Ahenemma and Ahenenananom in New Juaben. So today is a very great day. It's a very great day for all, especially the Ahenemma and Ahenenananom in New Juaben.
And they say, Ahenemma, Ahenenananom, Mama Koya said, Abusia, and Panama, Syria, Koya, was in Yasha. Darcybre Kweku Boateng Otoso New Juaben. So, Nananom Adina Baba, much you are
Hello, bonjour. My name is Chantal Duvivier. I have been invited by Mary Boateng and for a special event for her brother, and I realize I'm the only European person here. I come from France, not far from Paris. And I know Mary and Joyce, my friend next to me. We trained together in a British hospital as nurses and midwives. So it's my first time here, and I feel very honored to just share something very special that very few people, I'm sure from Europe, have seen. So I feel extremely honored. And to see the culture, to see the people, the way they are dressed, which is beautiful. So tremendous. And my family, they're all expecting to see lots of pictures of this. Thank you very much for asking me. I'm very delighted to be here.
Ahenema and Ahenenananom. Omanka Omicha Boateng Oshipon. Juaben YIADOM HWEDIE Ache Seche. That for Madaroma, Nobibu that for.
Israel, Bantu, Ira, that's the best evidence. Gantua for when this year, I did Ahenemahene, Boateng,
He ascended the stool with a natural gift of calm and radiance, which instantly inspires loyalty and motivates people around him. He learns values of courtesy and tact in dealing with both his peers and subjects. He had grown up with a conviction that traditional leadership rests on a capacity to serve, mobilize, reconcile, mend, heal wounds, and motivate people.
Security employer don't post for this actual say Ahenemahene. So they got one for other kind of other one to come and say, but they are going to come over the top of the ship on
Nana Afriyie YIADOM Boateng. The father wa. Nana Afriyie YIADOM Boateng. Ahenenananom na dia besum banya
Nana Wadaroma. Beba son YIADOM HWEDIE Abwa Juaben Tribune Minian Beba Kawo na Abu Ayeba Akon na Yedia Beson Yena Nakumi.
That's the channel. Obiti amanatu Libra that's ready. Say amamre ni amane kwansu. Odisia obey. Amamre ni amane bi ese so yema ese bi obey. That's rather it's a pointed one. Let's read Anamoni.
friend and a job, or friend in the soul, national bar, medical.
Afriyie and Yajinaha, Yani Ajapa, Yambessa Mecanese, Yapapa, Yase Yanana, or Yani Papa, or Donipa, or Brennan Wasi. I said, Mihunia Menka, as I said, Efata, send it in Yamu, I send it now. Yawahana, Yanije, and Tinachi. Said you are a piano, and Cosso Jojo.
I'm so overjoyed. I am so happy for you. I can't even possibly express just the extent of my joy for this day. You are more than deserving of this position. We are so thrilled and just happy that we're able to join you for such a great honor. In fact, it's an honor for me myself to be here and for the kids to be able to witness this. We wish you the absolute best. We know that you have all the capabilities to just thrive and succeed in this position. And so we're praying and supporting you and just asking God to give you the strength, the wisdom, and the ability to do just exceptionally well in the position that's about to be bestowed on you right now. Congratulations. We love you deeply. Mwah.
Yeah, I think it is a great choice. You know, Nana is very, enlightened, and he has traveled and has, a lot of experience, and that can move the agenda of Ahenemma and Ahenenananom forward. And that's what we want. That's why I'm here to support him. I would like to wish him well. I wish our ancestors and Almighty God will protect him from the evil eye. So the ideas that he has, that he wants to come to move the Ahenenananom forward, I hope the idea will succeed. And I stand by him, and I think it will succeed because he's the right choice. I'm proud of him.
spite of his humility and selfless nature and experience in healthcare delivery, Nana Afriyie Boateng YIADOM saw the need for proper healthcare for the people of New Juaben and Ghana as a whole. With his expertise and working experience abroad, Nana is planning to set up a clinic at his residence to help in the provision of quality healthcare to the entire community in which he lives and serves. On this part, myself and my family cannot overemphasize our gratitude to you, the Asibre Kweku Boateng III, for the gift of guidance and support. I shall commit the rest of my active life, be it long or short, to serve for the progress and prosperity for the people.